Welcome to the efani FAQ series. This is question number 4. How do you order the efani Safe Plan? All efani purchases are done on the website, so they are encrypted, private, and secure. So let's check out the website at www.efani.com. If you've already made the choice to purchase the efani Safe Plan, then all you need to do is go to the button here at the bottom left and submit on Get Secure Safe Plan Now. And what that's going to do is scroll you down the page to show you the two different options of how you can buy the Safe Plan, or you can just simply scroll down on your own and you can choose the monthly or the yearly plan. These are both the same plans, as just one's monthly and one is an annual payment plan. The monthly is $99 per month, all taxes and fees included. And the annual plan is $999. So you're saving almost 2 months of billing by paying for the year in advance. You can also start out on the monthly plan and then transition to the annual plan at any time. And you can do that by either logging into your efani account, or you can contact our support team and they'll help you through that transition to save you some money. Now, once you're on this page, you can choose whether you want the monthly or the annual. And it's as simple as just clicking on this button for monthly or clicking on the button for annual. And then if you scroll down, you'll see that the price has turned into an annual price, which is the $999 for 1 year of the efani mobile service. Now, if you've made it this far in the FAQ series, then I'd like to reward you. We do work with some influencers who want to educate their community on the threat of SIM swaps and privacy and our insurance plan to make sure that you keep your crypto secure. And they typically will also educate you on cold storage and hardware wallets. And we like to work with those kind of people. And so if you've already got a promo code from one of those influencers, then great. You can manually enter it here, but they would most likely have had a URL that you would have clicked on. And when you go to a landing page of one of our partners, then that promo code will be automatically applied. Now, if you do end up at this page, you can actually manually type this in. And if you don't have an influencer promo code, then what you can use is a promo code that I've set up, and it's called promo. And so if you hit apply, let's see what happens. And that's $900 for the entire first year. And that includes the AT&T network as an example, the voice, text, and data, US, Canada, Mexico, hotspot, Wi-Fi calling, Wi-Fi SMS enabled globally, and our SIM swap security, of course, privacy, and the $5 million insurance policy. Now, once I've filled all this out, I can simply hit order now. And of course, it's not going to let me just because I haven't filled it out. But had I filled this out and hit order now, then it would have confirmed my purchase. You would get an email confirming that purchase. And the next step after that is you can log into your efani account, which you would have created during the process of ordering the service. And there'll be a link in there to schedule your activation. So you do need to go in there and schedule an activation. And we're going to assign an activation manager who's going to have a video call just like this, one-on-one, to help you through the port over process of your existing number. Or if you need a brand new number, they're going to help you with a couple options you can choose from, depending on what area code or zip code that you live in. And they'll help you through that process to make sure that when that call's over, you're most likely going to be converted to the efani mobile service, and you'll be secure, private, and insured. Now, if you don't go into your mobile account and schedule the activation, then one of our customer support agents, most likely later in the same day, is going to reach out to you and send you that scheduling link. And if you don't respond, then they will follow up. So just be aware of that. We do this every day, all day long. We would love to have you join our secure mobile community. Thanks for listening. Hope you enjoy the promo. Please use it. Until then, stay safe and secure.